Hey guys, there's money in these.
Yeah, I mean, it's for sale.
Homeless and everything else.
Hey guys, it's Brandon with Investment Joy, and I'm so excited about this video. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. We were able to actually go and replace the food in my vending machine with money. You'll love some of these reactions. So I've discovered this is really hard to put money in a vending machine in a busy laundromat. We just kicked everybody out for maintenance. The financial wolf's out there and he's blocking traffic. People come in the laundromat. We're going to see how long it takes for them to figure out that I've put hundreds of dollars in the vending machine instead of snacks. Let's see what happens.
Hey kid, hey, I'm not sure if you're interested, but we just wanted to hand out some money. If you want like free snacks inside the store, just like go ahead. All right, cool.
Figure out what you want.
Do I use this money too? Or?
You can use that too. Really think about what you want. Nice. There we go.
I saw that. I just figured it was more money. I don't really know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. You can keep going.
Thank you a lot.
Of course.
So you want to go find those people that were here? Let me give you...
This is just
for convenience. Yeah, and convenience. Yeah, let's do that.
You guys, you can go ahead and head back in. My boss also wanted me to give you guys like $2 to get something from the vending machine or something for the inconvenience. So there you go. Thank you. You can head back in whenever. So guys, I'm really excited to see how they react because it looked like they were living in their car and they could really use the money. So this is going to be a good reaction. We're going to keep it low key. I'm excited.
Yay, we got a customer. They're so not discreet. This is hilarious.
Hey guys, there's money in these.
Yeah, I mean, it's for sale.
You're gonna try to get it. Huh? Is this for real or are we being punked or something?
It's for real. It's for real. Are you serious?
Because we're like homeless and everything else. We have a job. We've been working, but everything's been a mess. We've been trying to find a place. Can't find a place.
You want to get it come out now?
Yeah.
Was it a good reaction?
Yes.
That was actually a good one.
Grab it.
Thank you.
Of
so
course.
much.
It's so funny that he grabbed Takis first. That was the first thing he grabbed. It was some Takis. I was like, really look at what you're buying.
Thank you a lot.
Of course.
I probably should have chose the other ones first.
Was he somewhat excited?
Yeah, he just didn't know what to say.
Yeah.
He was
He's a neighbor kid.
Well, I'm happy we could help you guys out.
Yeah.
Or at least Brandon. He's the one who did it all.
Oh no. So what I'm here for, I try to give everybody a little bit of money every time I come to the laundromat because I own the place.
So our kids are staying with my sister, and we've been living in my truck, and we got our heads on straight, and we're working and everything. Trying to get our life back on track.
I wish you luck. All the luck in the world, you guys.
I appreciate it. God bless you.
He does, believe me.